We're gonna go up there and see if we can figure out what's going on. We've got the door switch taped in here. Fans blowing. Okay, so I've got two blinks. 1, 2. So we've actually got a code to work with now. 2 flashes. External lockout, retries or recycles exceeded. Something is intermittently not working. We'll reset it right now. Turn it back on, see what happens. Hopefully it'll give us the same problem. The booster motor's kicked on. The igniter is now turning on. Okay, so the gas valve may not be opening in time. Okay, restart the sequence. Got the inducer motors on. Igniter should be coming on right now. There we go. We're checking to see if we've got 24 volts to the gas valve. Got 26 volts. So the gas valve itself is not opening. Gas valve is turned on. Nope, gas valve's not opening. We'll take this off. Turn the gas off. See if we got gas coming in. So I'll take that back up. So we've got a bad gas valve. I don't have an answer to what's been intermittently not working. Because it'll go either days or up to weeks to where it'll actually stop working again. Let's go price them out a new gas valve. So she has approved the gas valve replacement. We keep this in the truck. We have a single stage fast opening. Yes. See. 3. With the gas flow arrow. Go. We gotta make sure all these orifices are inside 6 of these. All the bearings are in. Okay, so that's tight. Open the gas back up. Wire connections back on. Apply power just to make sure it kicks on, and then we're going to hook up our manometer. What? Volts. What happened first? Oh, it may have been, may have just had air in the lines, and that's what it was. We're definitely going to start it up several times just to make sure that doesn't happen again. But I'm pretty sure it's just because I had air from all the way from here into here, all the way through here, so it didn't have enough time to stay open and leave that air out. So go ahead and hook up the manometer. I do not like the door switches bypassed unless I'm working on them. It's upside down. Okay, turn the gas pressure off. It's off right here, the cord turn. Open that up. Since we got a dual port manometer, we're going to go ahead and open both of them. We're just cracking them open. They don't have to be taken out completely. Gas valve's on. You see this is building up. We're looking for 3.5 inches of water column. We're already over that a little bit, but it stopped at 3.77. So we're going to use this right here. We're just going to go counterclockwise in order to make this go down to about 3.5. It doesn't take much. And our pressure here dropped. It was 7 point something, now it's 6.68. Drop this just a touch more. I'm going to take a screenshot of being at 3.5 inches of water column. Use our Allen key to close the inlet port. Alright, so we've got a new gas valve, gas pressure set to 3.5 inches of water column, outgoing. And then we go ahead and turn this back on. So now we have gas flowing to the gas valve, and it should start up immediately. It opens up beautifully. Nice pretty blue flames. Almost zero yellow. Good to go. I've been here before. And we actually installed this system this year. TempStar system. Install it. Got a coil, furnace, condenser outside. And all went pretty smoothly. I got a good install team. And this one I didn't have any more stickers at the time, so I put a magnet on there. Warmed up in here, so we are good to go. All right, another one completed. I'm going to talk to the homeowner. Thanks for watching.